All right, this video is a quick overview of using the Tych panel extension for Adobe Photoshop CS5. When you download the extension, navigate to where you downloaded it, and you'll find this tychpanel.zxp file. Now this is the actual extension, and to install it, all you need to do is double-click it, and it will bring up the Adobe Extension Manager, where you'll need to accept the license to continue. And once you do, you click Accept, and you'll see the Tych panel 1.0 will be installed in whatever application. In this case, it's going to be Photoshop. Now, if you've got Photoshop open, you will need to close and restart Photoshop in order to use the extension. All right, and when you do, you'll find it under Window, Extensions, Tych panel. Okay, and you can see it open right here. It's a very simple extension to use. You've only got three choices. The first button is Options, where you can choose image spacing, select whether or not to maintain the aspect ratio. You can choose to resize the entire image to a target width, and then whether or not to save, and you can even close the application, so you can generate these and automatically close Photoshop once you've generated the composite. Okay. Now, using Tych panel is really just two buttons: stack it up or just bring it. The stack it up selection allows you to choose multiple images and then choose the layout that you'd like to use yourself. Whereas just bring it, you select the images or the number of images, and then it chooses the appropriate layout. All right, so let's take a look at this in action. I'll start with stack it up, and that will open up our file dialog here, where I can just select a couple of images. So we'll select this one, and we'll select this one here, and choose Open. Okay, so what it will do is it's going to open these on their own layer, and it's going to name them. The next step is to just select a layout then. So I'll just select this first one here, just a basic diptych. All right, and there it is. Just that simple, just a few seconds, and applies the 5-pixel gutter and centers our images. Now, the cool thing about this, or one of the cool things about this, is you don't have to start over if you wanted to add images to this. Right? That's where you can use the just bring it command as well. So for example, we'll choose just bring it, and I can select a few more images. Choose those three. Actually, we'll choose that one and select open. All right, now again, it's going to open them all on their own layer, name them, and then it will add them, as you can see, add them to the existing layout. And it's just that simple. Very, very cool. This is a fantastic tool for creating tear sheets or one sheets that you want to send out to clients or potential clients. It's a great solution for building multi-image panels for your website or blog. If you wanted to add, let's say, add your logo to it, and we can use just bring it again. We'll add a couple more photos. We'll add this one, and we'll go ahead and add this logo here. And again, in just a few seconds, there it is. Okay, great solution, great layout, very clean, very simple. If you've ever tried to do these types of layouts manually, they can be a little tricky. They're certainly a lot more time consuming than what you've just seen here. So we encourage you, give it a download. It's a free download. Check it out. Let us know what you think. Post some photos. Let us see what you're creating with the Tych panel extension for Photoshop CS5. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.